Everyone has struggles and barriers that they have to break through in life to reach that next point of success. But not everyone has the barrier of climbing Mount Everest, let alone doing it blind. And that is exactly what this year's speaker at the Helen Keller lecture, Erik Weihenmayer, did back in 2001, but says he couldn't have ever done it without his team.
Yeah, well, I found that blind people don't climb Everest alone, so you have to build a great team around you, and that's been a really good lesson for me in life, how to build wonderful relationships, people that lift me up and I lift them up.
And he made these relationships through his organization, No Barriers, who works with people who are looking to push into that next step in their life.
And we work with veterans, and we work with youth, and we work with folks with disabilities, folks with emotional and psychological, all kinds of challenges, right?
And some of those people that come in become leaders and mentors to others and become examples about overcoming obstacles.
No Barriers is really cool. We bring in these really cool, I guess we'd call them pioneers, people who have broken through barriers themselves and pioneered the way forward and are really interested in teaching others. We have a whole plethora of ambassadors and pioneers that we bring together as examples of how to move forward despite the challenges that want to slap you down.
But his organization doesn't limit people to disabilities or injuries from joining. Anyone who has an obstacle in their life that they need to push through can be a part of it.
We have an expansive definition of the word challenge, right? It's not just people who are blind. It's kind of, in a way, it's all of us, because everybody has things that hold them back. So I think we're all in that No Barriers Club when you think of it like that.
Seth Carpenter, Troy, TrojanVision News.